골리앗의 목이 떨어지는 순간 이스라엘과 블레셋의 진짜 전쟁이 시작됩니다. 엘리압과 다윗의 형들은 다윗을 지키기 위해 그를 찾아 헤맸죠. 새로운 영웅의 탄생을 막으려는 블레셋군의 칼끝이 일제히 다윗을 향합니다. 위기에 처한 요나단을 구하기 위해 이스라엘 군사들이 전열을 가다듬고 한편 전장으로 나가려던 사울은
Father, what are you doing? You're not going out there.
You yourself led me from the darkness. I must lead this army.
저주의 굴레를 벗어나지 못한 사울은 딸들의 만류를 뒤로하고 전장으로 향합니다.
Give us this ground!
아기스는 산 위에서 기도를 하는 사무엘을 발견하고
Silence the prophet, and they cannot win. Come with me! Eliab! David!
다윗의 목소리를 들은 아기스는 활을 꺼내 그를 겨누는데
Do this day. I do in your name.
요나단을 발견한 아기스도 검을 뽑아들고
God is with us!
주인 잃은 골리앗의 검을 쥔 아기스의 시선이 저 멀리 사울을 조준합니다. 아기스를 쫓는 대신 다윗을 지키기로 결심한 요나단은 망설임 없이 발길을 돌리는데
David! You all right? Yes. Stay close. Get down. Let's go. I have an idea.
전투는 밤이 깊어지도록 계속되고 또다시 나타난 아말렉 왕의 환영에 사울이 중심을 잃고 쓰러집니다. 사울은 환영을 쫓아 불타는 숲속으로 들어가는데
David. Abner, get David off the field and then advance. I can fight with you. Yes, my prince. Where are you going? I'm going to find my father. Let me fight with you, Jonathan. Not today. Go.
엘리압과 다윗의 형들은 여전히 다윗을 찾고 있었고
You never stop fighting, brother. Never.
그때 천막을 떠나 도망치던 메랍과 미갈 블레셋의 거센 포위망 속에서도 아브네르는 다윗을 사수하며 이스라엘 군사들을 모아 필사의 방어선을 구축합니다. 드디어 다윗이 형들과 만나고
Hold the line. King of boys. It's King of Scott's men. He's looking for David. We cannot hold them off much longer. Don't take David clear of the battle. No, clear the field. I'll do that. I can fight.
자신을 지키기 위해 피 흘리는 형들과 군사들의 희생을 바라보는 다윗의 눈빛이 무겁게 가라앉습니다.
Kill the boy. That boy is my brother. The king is dead. Fall back. The king. Retreat. Push them back. All the way to God.
블레셋 군대는 왕을 잃고 패잔병처럼 달아나기 시작했고 전열을 가다듬은 이스라엘은 그 뒤를 맹추격합니다. 한편 사울은 여전히 아말렉 왕의 환영을 따라 숲속으로 향하는 중이었죠. 어느새 주변에는 아무도 보이지 않았고
Great warrior king, but you have not defeated me.
그때 골리앗의 검을 손에 쥔 아기스도 불타는 숲에 거의 다다르고
We have to get David safety. We're surrounded, brother. There's no safety.
그때 다윗의 눈에 요나단이 보입니다. 멀리 불타는 숲속을 바라보고 있는 사무엘.
That you are great in your own eyes. You have rebelled and made yourself evil in the eyes of the Lord. You have twisted the throne of Israel to your own glory. The Lord has torn the kingdom from you. Now he chooses another.
It is done.
It is over.
No, it is not over. Kish, son of Mauch.
What dark pagan magic is this?
Not magic, Saul. Fate. Giant Slayer! Boy.
거인은 아기스를 집어들더니
We'll get your vengeance, King, but not today.
What of the battle?
They're running away. I have to go find my brothers.
Return to my father. Go.
몸을 일으킨 요나단은 사울에게 향합니다.
Where is Achish?
He escaped. Good, my son. Good.
전투가 거의 끝나가던 평원에선 전투를 바라보던 사무엘도 인기척을 느끼고 적들을 처리한 사무엘이 다시 전장 쪽을 바라보자 블레셋 군은 모두 달아났고 길었던 전쟁의 밤 끝에 마침내 아침 해가 전장을 비춥니다. 다윗과 요나단이 다시 평원으로 돌아오고 다윗은 비웃음 받던 이스라엘 사람들에게 찬사를 받게 됩니다. 이 모습을 바라보던 사무엘은 조용히 자리를 뜨고
Yes, Ned. Tell David I'm sorry I doubted him. I will. I'm sorry.
다윗의 셋째 형 느다넬이 전장에서 숨을 거둡니다. 다윗은 찬사를 받으며 사울의 천막으로 이동했고
My daughters, how did you survive?
Stay together.
My daughters are warriors.
My king. My champion!
다윗에게 임한 신의 계시를 이미 알고 있는 요나단은 거대한 비밀을 삼킨 채 묵묵히 입을 다물었고 그에게 사울 가문을 상징하는 망토를 둘러줍니다.
From this day forward, you are part of the House of Saul!
You came back to me.
Yes.
모두가 승리에 도취한 순간 요나단은 화살 맞은 부위에 통증을 느끼는데
Are you alright? Jonathan, is there something you'd like to ask me? About Samuel.
You are part of my house. And my brothers.
그날 밤 전투 현장을 돌며 전리품을 수집하던 도액은 골리앗의 검을 발견합니다.
Interesting. Deliver this to Avner. Only to Avner. And tell no one.
사울은 자리를 떠난 사무엘을 쫓아가는데
My torment has left it. Darkness has passed.
Why would you believe he has granted you mercy?
And now I have a new champion. Slayer of giants. Why chose? So, great seer, you will anoint me again. On these sacred grounds for all to see.
This I cannot do.
The king has commanded it.
You must know by now I do not serve king.
Very well.
Guards! Arrest the seer! So,
This is finished, Samuel.
No, Saul. It is just beginning.
My lord, perhaps there's another course of action.
I have decided.
사울은 신의 대리인 사무엘을 가두어 버렸지만 무지한 이스라엘 백성들은 승리하고 돌아온 그를 영웅으로 맞이합니다. 사울의 죽음을 예단해 에스바알을 왕으로 옹립했던 아히노암은 사울을 보고 당황하는데
He will too.
It will be shock enough for him to see you return from exile.
사울은 백성들 앞에서 거인을 쓰러뜨린 다윗을 소개했고
Now, there are any doubts if God is still with us. Let this be a message to us all.
다윗은 모든 사람들에게 환호를 받습니다.
From this day forward, you will join the house of Saul. My daughter will be given to you in marriage. And David, as a reward for your bravery, I give you command of 1,000 clans!
다윗의 이름을 연호하는 백성들을 바라보는 아히노암의 눈빛이 흔들립니다.
What a price to pay for what we did.
Oh, I settled my debt, son. What I know has a currency worth more than gold.
I know.
제외한 아히노암과 함께 사울이 궁 안으로 들어서자
Shbal.
에스바알을 반겨주는 남매들과 달리 사울은 의미심장한 눈빛으로 아히노암과 에스바알을 번갈아 응시하는데
I know there is much to explain. Come here, son. Come here.
그때 요압에게 전갈이 전해줍니다.
What is it?
It's David's brother, Nathanael.
Excuse me.
다윗과 미갈이 사람들의 눈을 피해 마주합니다.
David.
Jonathan, what is it?
Afraid I have better news. It's your brother, Nathaniel.
한편 아브네르는 사람들의 눈을 피해 사무엘을 찾아갑니다.
The Day of Atonement is coming. You will be there, as always, beside Saul, at the tabernacle, and you will anoint him again.
You were born into darkness, were you not?
I've renounced that place.
This would be warning enough for the house you
I
serve.
did warn them.
Warn them again, for the darkness that has consumed Saul will consume you as well.
그 무렵 요나단은 점점 깊어지는 상처 때문에 고통스러워하고 있었는데
Prince.
I know of a healer. He's in the hills of Gibeah.
Take me there.
요나단은 곧바로 그시아가 말한 의사의 집으로 향했고
I'm Hiram. That's Sarah, my granddaughter, and my assistant. Clean the wound and bandages.
의사가 나가고 사라는 요나단의 상처를 살펴보는데
What is your opinion?
I believe a piece of the arrowhead is still lodged inside you. If it stays inside you, the poison will spread and you will die.
How soon? So what do you feel should be done?
그러자 사라는 도구 하나를 가져왔고
But I have spent years perfecting this tool after my brother died of an arrow wound like this.
Do it.
화살촉을 빼낼 준비를 시작합니다.
Ready? Good. Tell me about Naomi. You kept saying her name in your sleep.
She had my heart. Victorious in my first battle at Mi'kmash. While I was gone, the sickness ravaged her entire family. When I returned home, I found they'd already buried her.
I feel something.
한편 다윗의 가족들은 느다넬의 장례를 치릅니다. 다윗은 착잡한 표정으로 자리를 피하는 엘리압을 따라가는데 가문을 지켜야 한다는 중압감 속에서 느다넬을 잃은 엘리압은 걷잡을 수 없는 죄책감과 마주합니다.
His last words were for you, David. He was proud of you. As am I.
There are things I must tell you.
그때 요압과 사울의 근위병들이 찾아오고
What business do you have with us?
Well, we've come to escort David back to the palace.
Escort?
King Saul has made your son a royal commander of 1,000 men, including me. You as well, Eliab.
사울에게서 떼어놓으려 했던 다윗이 결국 왕의 수하로 들어가자 엘리압의 인내심은 마침내 바닥을 드러냅니다.
Get up. Look at him. Our great commander. Eliab! Want to be a leader? Stand up and fight me. What are you going to do without your sling, giant slayer?
Eliab, I'm sorry. I wanted.
We buried our brother today, and with you in command, we will bury thousands more.
That is enough.
한편 엘리압의 손에 전사한 블레셋 왕의 아들이 아기스를 찾아옵니다.
Daganor,
Your plan was flawed, Akish.
have you come here looking for a fight?
I've come to make a point.
Azor!
상대의 맹공에 밀려 아기스의 검은 형체를 잃고 휘어져갔고
You had the right idea. You just used the wrong weapon. Look at the blade.
Not a mark.
The key to defeating the Hebrews was never the size or strength of your giant. It was the sword in his hand. We are no longer in the age of bronze. Victory now hinges on the forging of iron. Imagine, Philistine army, every man wielding a weapon like this.
한편 위기를 직감한 아히노함은 아브네르처럼 사무엘을 설득하려 하는데
Surely he can undo this.
He can, but he has not.
메랍은 에스바알에게 자신의 결혼이 엎어진 이야기를 전합니다.
To imagine a life with a decent man, perhaps be happy.
You.
None of it was meant for me. It was for Michal. She is wonderful, and I always manage to ruin everything.
Maybe Jonathan and Michal get everything they want because they believe they deserve it, while you and I have remained shackled by our belief that we are forever unworthy. We are worthy. And if you truly believe that, what would you ask for?
그날 밤 사무엘에게 도액이 찾아오는데
I've been tasked to discover the name of the Anointed One. Even if it takes your life as it did your apprentice.
도액의 칼날이 목을 죄어오던 그 순간 갑자기 말문을 여는 사무엘.
Another name you dream of often. Timna.
What did you say?
Timna, your mother's name, died by your father's hand. You coward. Did you know? Beneath the stairs.
How would you know that?
사무엘의 손이 도액의 가슴에 닿는 순간 사울처럼 거대한 저주가 몰아칩니다.
Edomai. Where am I?
You are trapped in the den you brought to so many others. And then shall remain.
그 시각 사울의 처소로 향한 아히노함은 다윗에게 요직을 내어주는 것은 시기상조라며 은밀히 간언하는데
Give David more time to better prove himself.
More so than killing a giant? I have made my decision. Why must you challenge me?
그때 아브네르가 급히 안으로 들어서며 사울 왕을 찾습니다.
Please come.
아브네르가 데려간 감옥엔 사울처럼 저주에 잠식된 도액이 있었고
Samuel, go on. What fool ordered Doeg to threaten the prophet? And why was I not made aware of this?
I was hoping the threat wouldn't be necessary.
Find Samuel at once.
다음 날 궁으로 돌아갈 채비를 하고 있는 다윗.
When will you return?
I'm going to marry Princess Michal. I think that through our union, I will find my way to the throne in peace.
I hope you are right.
Goodbye, father.
그렇게 다윗과 형들은 궁으로 돌아가고 메랍은 사울을 찾아갑니다.
When you tore a life away from me, a marriage, it was truly painful.
I was not myself.
And that is why I have something to ask of you. There is a way in which I could serve this kingdom and this house.
한편 골리앗의 악몽 속에서 깨어난 아브네르. 도액이 그에게 가져다준 골리앗의 검을 지니고 있던 것인데
The sword. I fear it is cursed. I do not want it near the king. You take it to Nob.
골리앗의 검을 제사장의 도시 노브로 보내버리고 한편 수술을 받고 회복 중이던 요나단에게 에스바알이 찾아옵니다. 에스바알은 요나단을 왕궁으로 데려가려고 왔다는데
Thank you for saving my life. And for your company.
Perhaps, Sarah, you should return with us to the palace as the prince's personal healer?
I'm sorry, but this is my home. I'm needed here.
Of course.
I'll fetch you some supplies.
I'm just happy to see you look at a woman again.
얼마 뒤 사람들의 찬사 속에 궁으로 돌아온 다윗, 그리고 그를 애타게 기다리던 미갈이 마주 서 있습니다. 그렇게 다윗이 궁 안으로 들어서자
I'm glad to have you back. Are you ready now to commit to this house?
I know in my heart, my place is here.
I accept your vow. And as a gift, I offer you my beautiful daughter in marriage. Mirav.
사울은 미갈이 아닌 맏딸 메랍을 아내로 맞이하라며 다윗에게 명을 내립니다. 얼마 전 유배지로 가던 중 습격을 받았던 에스바알. 에스바알은 의문의 남자에게 끌려갔고 그를 끌고 온 건 에돔의 왕이었습니다.
What do you want of me?
Have you ever seen an elephant? Enormous, powerful creatures, but easy to tame. When they are young, you simply have to tie them to a pole by a rope. They resist the fight, but in time, they give up. Power begins in the mind, not the body. You will suffer until you understand who you really are.
No more.
Remove his binding. He is of no threat anymore. You ceased resisting a rope that held you back. You became compliant, allowing lesser men to choose your fate. But now, it's time for you to decide your path.
I am loyal to the house of my father, Saul, son of Kish. Killed my captors, freed the other prisoners, and together we escaped. Passed through the fire, Father.
A man proves his substance by what he does, not what he says.
Then allow me to earn your trust with honesty. Before you returned in triumph, I was crowned king by Mother. We believed you had been defeated and killed.
You think I didn't hear whispers about your coronation? There are no secrets that time does not betray, Ishbal.
Mother would have told you in time, but I am telling you now. But I promise you, I wish to redeem them all.
How so?
The woman I defiled and was banished for, I will marry her.
사울의 예상치 못한 결정에 당황한 두 사람의 슬픔은 깊어집니다.
Have you spoken to Mirav?
Not yet. I need to speak with my father, but I know all too well how that will go.
Then let me speak to him.
He's stubborn.
The Lord helped me defeat a giant. I'm sure he will help me speak to your father.
Samuel has escaped the city. He must have had help to get beyond the walls.
We held Samuel captive.
Surely he'll show up at the tabernacle.
And there he will kiss my ring.
And if he refuses?
No, you cannot harm Samuel.
그때 사울을 찾아온 다윗은 자신이 선택한 사람은 오직 미갈이라며 사울의 명령에 반기를 드는데
Let me tell you something about choice. I feed my people or they starve. They live free or are enslaved. Because I choose one way or the other.
I only ask that you reconsider.
Reconsider!
All right. That's enough.
Go.
미갈 또한 메랍에게 달려가 사울의 결정을 되돌리자고 매달려보지만
I am the older sister, so it does make sense.
Mirav.
Perhaps father thinks you are too soft-hearted for David.
그 시각 다윗은 천부장으로서 무예 수련에 정진했고 휘하 군인들과 소통하고 있었죠.
Uriah.
Uriah.
And I'm Boaz.
Nice to meet both of you.
그때 요나단이 훈련장으로 들어오고
Soldier is not just brute force. He's finesse. Keep your weight low, your feet light.
그날 이후 요나단은 다윗을 강한 전사로 훈련시키기 시작합니다.
The boy is a natural, a hero in the making.
He shines too bright, even a king may find himself blinded.
I know what I'm doing.
Why must you make these decisions without discussing with me first?
You're right. A husband and wife should keep no secrets from each other.
Who told you?
I understand. You did what you felt you had to. Never lie to me again.
얼마 뒤 사울은 요나단과 다윗을 호출합니다.
Ishbal will wed Dina, the daughter of Yair of Dan. You and your men will escort your brother to negotiate.
David should lead.
Yes. Teach him.
두 사람은 에스바알과 함께 단지파의 영토로 향했고
My queen.
베사이가 아히노암을 찾아옵니다.
The king has been restored. Now is the time when magic and witchcraft must return to the shadows.
If you ever need me again,
아브네르와 요압이 이 모습을 지켜보고 있었고 어둠에 시달리고 있는 도액은 무엇인가를 급하게 써내려가더니 전서구에 매달아 날려보냅니다.
Why can it not be me?
Even in victory, there are still wolves at my door.
메랍 설득에 실패한 미갈은 사울에게 간청해보지만
But your sister's right. She is the better choice.
Did Merab ask you for this?
She did. It is what best serves our nation.
Merab? Michal? It's not just men who climb ladders to reach their ambition.
얼마 뒤 요나단 일행은 단지파의 장로 야이르가 사냥하고 있는 곳에 도착합니다.
Hunting what?
Wild boar.
Boar is unclean.
You invoke the law to me while standing beside your brother who broke it. Still, we don't eat it, but the Philistines do, and they have metal to trade for it.
I offer what you first requested, a union by marriage of our two houses.
I think you have traveled many miles for nothing.
Perhaps I could speak with Dina.
그때 부하에게서 무언가 보고받는 야이르.
Are you the one they call the giant killer? Come, let's hunt!
다윗을 본 야이르는 요나단 일행에게 사냥에 동참할 것을 제안합니다.
Dead by my blade! Dina, we have royal company.
해가 저물자 요나단과 다윗은 야이르를 설득하려 합니다.
After a war, the king has debts. What better way to pay them than lean on the wealthiest leader in all the land? And yet your mother disrespected me.
Yeah, mistakes she regrets, I assure you.
What of you, giant slayer? What wisdom do you have for me?
All my life, so many voices telling me I was less than who I know I am. But I chose to draw strength from their words and not be wounded by them.
Well said.
You could reject the king's offer and gain nothing, or you could show strength and see what there is to gain. Surely profit heals many wounds.
And be careful. This one's more of a leader than he yet realizes.
그 시각 에스바알은 디나에게 향합니다.
I've heard the stories about how your father treats you.
It wasn't the son he wanted.
디나는 딸이라는 이유로 야이르에게 구박을 받아왔는데
I'm not marrying you, Eshbal, just so you can escape the law of Moses.
It would be an escape for both of us. I'm giving you the chance at freedom from this place.
잠시 고민하던 디나는
I will not birth you an heir, and I want a stallion, along with the king's grace to go hunting as much as I like. Those are my terms.
한편 피신 중이던 베사이는 아브네르에게 붙잡힙니다.
So you're just another knife for the king.
Or so is another way.
Where I can, Agner. Please.
Get out of here.
아브네르는 결국 베사이를 보내주지만 뒤를 밟아온 요압이 가차없이 베사이를 제거합니다. 메랍과 미갈 사이는 여전히 냉랭했고 메랍이 자리를 떠나자 아이노함이 들어섭니다.
I could make things easier for you. We all have obligations. You saw your father before the battle.
And part of his torment was of your making. Spells and witchcraft. They weren't even legal, but you saw fit to change that, didn't you?
Why did you hear that?
Ahimelech. He was...
Leave us. Never speak of this again to anyone.
I know what you did, mother. And poor Ahimelech was made to transcribe your sin.
다음날 아침 사울이 아이노함을 따로 불러내는데
Didn't we agree no more secrets? And yet, you took my signet ring from my finger while I suffered, changed my law without consent.
어젯밤 대화를 엿들은 그 시야가 사울에게 말을 전한 것이었는데
I made a mistake. It pains me.
You will not accompany me and our family to the tabernacle.
Go! Now! Kezia! You stay.
한편 야이르가 혼인을 동의하며 요나단 일행은 궁으로 향했고
You offered him an alternative. Found a middle path.
얼마 뒤 국경 근처의 한 요새에 도착하는데
Why are the guards no longer standing watch?
기괴한 정적 속에서 위기를 직감한 요나단과 엘리압이 요새 내부를 탐색하기 시작합니다. 기다렸다는 듯 기습이 시작되고 엘리압은 다윗을 지키기 위해 적들을 막아서는데 자신을 지키기 위해 분투 중인 형들의 모습을 본 다윗은 야이르가 사망하자 괴한들은 물러가고
There's something wrong. My princess. My name is Sarah. I'm a healer. I can help.
요나단 일행이 상처 입은 채 돌아옵니다.
Sarah,
Are you injured?
not this time.
Then help us.
Who would be so bold to attack a royal convoy?
They weren't Philistines, more like a band of cutthroats.
Rob one of the wealthiest lords in the kingdom?
Whatever they wanted. Yair is the one who was dead.
I want answers, Avner. Otherwise, allies of Yair will suspect I had something to do with this.
Yes, sir.
King, may I have a moment?
Don't ask once again to marry Michal.
No, my king, I come with a different request.
다윗은 가족들이 느다넬의 죽음을 애도한 후에 결혼식을 할 수 있게 해달라 요청하고
I know that Michal and Mirav have different feelings about the marriage, and they should not be rushed to accept the wisdom of your choice. And I need time to become a commander and prince worthy of your house.
Your charm worked in Yair, but I'm not so easy.
Consider this a compromise. What I ask for is fair and compassionate. Surely a great king is both.
For the sake of all, we will take time for the wedding.
Thank you, my king.
그 시각 에스바알은 디나를 따로 불러냅니다.
It will not be safe for you to return home. You must remain here.
The king will quickly tire of my company.
To the daughter of a fallen lord, no. But to the wife of a prince.
I am in no need of your charity, Eshbal.
No, I find you intriguing.
You know, you never defiled me that night. Drunk, but you fell asleep at my side.
But your father, that was his entire claim.
Because he believed it happened, even though I told him he did not. You gave him an opportunity to rid himself of me and extort the king. You owe me nothing.
Wait, we owe it to ourselves then, to become more than our fathers expected. Together we can have a second chance. We marry tomorrow. This is what I offer.
그때 유다 지파의 장로 아드리엘이 궁에 도착합니다.
And what business do you have with the king?
Offer information in exchange for his grace. Now, step aside.
You attempted a mutiny on the battlefield. Whatever you have to say to the king, you will first say to me.
이야기를 들은 요압은 아드리엘을 사울에게 데려갔는데
Adriel brings important news.
My king.
You know well the punishment for traitors.
What if I had information that would prove my loyalty?
Information of what kind?
I know who he anointed.
다음 날 이스라엘 민족의 거룩한 절기 대속죄일이 다가오자 모두 성지인 성막으로 떠날 준비가 한창입니다.
She was never allowed.
다윗의 어머니 니체벳이 이민족 출신이라는 이유로 그들은 민족의 신성한 행사에서 철저히 배제당했었죠.
Come on. Let's go.
그 시각 사울은 아브네르를 호출합니다.
We have a traitor in our midst.
The anointed one. This threat will be removed. First his family, then the anointed himself.
Yoav will handle it.
Of course. The deed will be done before we reach the tabernacle.
다윗은 형들과 함께 성막으로 떠날 생각에 들떠 있었지만 엘리압은 함께 가지 못한다는데
I just heard I'm being sent on a mission with Yoav. Why? He would not tell me. It must be important.
미갈은 요나단을 치료해준 사라에게 성막에 함께 가자 부탁합니다.
His feelings for you, they go deeper than gratitude. So, you'll come, yes? Fine. Brother?
Are you joining us?
Your sister seems to think you are still ill.
Let's get you a horse.
사울은 아이노함 없이 홀로 떠날 채비를 하는데
Father, why is mother not coming?
And this year she will not be.
I am to lead, but I don't know which way you're supposed to be going.
You see that scout, the head of the column? Just follow his orders.
Thank you.
Our new commander's asking for directions, huh?
Should we be worried?
요압과 엘리압은 행렬에서 벗어나 다른 길로 향하고
You at least tell me where we are going. We're headed south. Judah, And why?
You will know the truth when the time is right.
쉬어가기 위해 멈추어선 행렬 속에서 다윗은 평소와 다름없이 신을 향한 찬양의 노래를 부릅니다.
Commander's a singer, huh?
칼날 위에 목숨을 걸고 살아온 병사들은 그를 보며 비웃었고
Don't mind them.
And they have always followed me with great loyalty.
Men are not sheep. To be a soldier is to face pain and hardship and possibility of death every day. So a leader must provide them with a purpose greater than themselves. You'll get that, David.
미가를 찾아가는 다윗에게 메랍이 다가옵니다.
I wanted to tell you I convinced my father to grant your family 100 head of sheep. And your father, he will be restored in Judah.
Thank you. But my love cannot be bought, Mirav. It already was.
Look, David, I have never been chosen, ever. I think you know what that feels like, to be forgotten by your family. You found your path, and I would like to find mine. So please, just don't embarrass me.
블레셋에게 습격을 당했다는 인근 마을 사람이 나타난 것인데
Sacking village after village.
David, take your brother and a detachment of men.
다윗은 병사들을 이끌고 습격당했다는 마을로 향했고 요압과 엘리압은 이새의 집에서 가까운 이웃집에 도착하는데
The man Samuel anointed, he lives here.
I cannot be sure. And what are we to do?
Remove the threat, along with his bloodline.
무고한 사람들이 죽게 생기자 엘리압은 요압을 말리지만
Would you rather it be your family?
Go! Get away, son! Run!
I'll go after the boy. You finish the rest.
한편 마을을 구하기 위해 블레셋과 맞붙은 다윗은 성급한 판단이 불러온 비극 앞에 많은 병사들이 목숨을 잃게 됩니다.
It is a dozen men we've lost, David.
Why did you rush in?
뒤늦게 도착한 요나단이 흥분한 다윗의 병사들을 돌려보내는데
I did what I felt I must do.
We had the advantage. You led with emotion, and you gave up our position. You just got men killed who do not need to die.
다윗은 부하들의 죽음에 큰 책임감을 느꼈고 전사한 부하들의 손목보호대를 챙깁니다.
Every dead Philistine had one.
Charcoal. Why risk life and limb for it?
수출 약탈한 블레셋은 이걸로 철제 무기를 제작하고 있었고
This still feels heavy. Perhaps you are not as skilled as your master.
There is no one as skilled as my master, but I am his best apprentice. Please, I will prove my worth.
Get back to work!
그날 밤 슬픔에 빠져있는 다윗에게 메랍이 다가옵니다.
I got those men killed.
I grew up watching my father send men to their death. So I know what war does, not just to the ones who fight, to those left behind. Grief cannot be avoided, David. You don't have to do it alone.
다음 날 사울 왕의 행렬이 성막에 도착합니다.
The Giant Slayer!
사람들은 거인을 해치운 다윗의 이름을 연신 외쳤고
And his princess! Get up!
Pretend, David.
그때 요압과 엘리압도 성막에 도착합니다.
Where were you? What was this mission?
Not here.
사울은 행렬을 이끌고 제사를 집전하는 사무엘에게 향하고 그날 저녁 에스바알이 디나의 침실로 숨어듭니다.
A moment of pleasure.
It will be much more than just a moment.
The law of Moses clearly states the Day of Atonement is a time to practice self-denial.
When the sun sets tomorrow, the day of self-denial will be over. If you still feel the need to draw a blade on me then.
We shall see, husband.
Let's spare ourselves more pain.
You will marry Merav.
And I will live with it.
No, I cannot.
Perhaps I was only meant to help you face the giant. Perhaps that is God's purpose.
No,
And it's...
we are meant to be together. I know it.
Do not speak against God, not to be, and certainly not here. If we were truly meant to be together, this would be easier.
Michal, please.
If you love me, you will respect it.
그렇게 미갈이 다윗을 떠나버립니다. 요압이 저지른 참혹한 살육 앞에서 엘리압은 깊은 죄책감을 느끼고 있었지만 차마 다윗이 선택받은 자라는 걸 말할 수는 없었고 그런 자신이 너무 비겁하게 느껴졌죠. 한편 사울은 사무엘의 아내 힐라를 데려오는데
And Samuel's time will end sooner than it should if he continues to defy me. I would be terribly burdened if anything happened to you as well.
사울이 힐라에게 경고하고 돌아왔을 때 그 시야가 그의 침상을 정리 중이었고 다음 날 제사를 준비하고 있는 사무엘에게 요나단이 찾아옵니다.
He is the anointed one.
What does your heart tell you?
He has become my friend, and I am teaching him the skills he could use to destroy my father, my family, myself. It threatens to corrupt the mind.
Not even I can know exactly what Adonai intends or how his will may manifest.
What is my purpose in this? If he is to sit on the throne, I am his greatest obstacle.
Then become his greatest ally. Help David to become the man God needs him to be. In the meantime, try to take some joy in your own life.
그 시각 아드리엘이 다윗에게 다가갑니다.
Call me a great dead son of Jesse. I know about the anointing. Do not worry. I have put the name of another in the king's ear. They have died in your place, David. A scepter returns to Judah as prophesied, then you sit on your throne. Remember who protected you.
그때 제사가 시작되고
Your false anointed one breathes no more.
그러자 사무엘은 눈을 돌려 다윗이 살아있음을 확인하고
Anoint me once again, here and now.
And what you are asking God has not spoken.
다윗은 자신 때문에 목숨을 잃은 부하의 유품을 제단 위에 올려놓고는 무릎을 꿇은 채 죽은 이들을 애도하며 서글피 노래를 부르기 시작합니다. 결국 부하들의 죽음에 슬퍼하며 오열하는 다윗.
I'm with you, brother. I fight with you, and I mourn with you.
I do not fear you.
제사가 끝나고 돌아갈 채비를 하던 메랍에게 다가간 미갈.
You'll get what you want. I won't fight you anymore. I will accept it. Michal, but I cannot be beside you for this.
요나단 또한 사라를 찾아갑니다.
Wise man told me to take joy in my life.
Us cannot be.
사라는 그녀의 동생이 요나단이 명성을 떨친 전투에 참전했다고 말합니다.
Launched an attack on the Philistines with only your armor bearer at your side. My brother was one of the hundreds of men, and he died because of it. I cannot stop holding you responsible for his death.
잠시 뒤 다시 궁으로 돌아가는 왕의 행렬. 다윗의 진심을 본 부하들이 그의 노래를 힘차게 따라 부르고 다윗은 조금씩 리더로 성장해 나갑니다. 1년이라는 시간 동안 다윗은 전장을 누비며 전술과 기백을 다져갔고 마침내 전사이자 리더로 거듭납니다.
The great warrior.
오랜 전장 생활 끝에 요나단과 다시 조우한 다윗. 긴 시간의 공백이 무색할 만큼 두 사람은 깊은 벗이 되어갑니다.
How is she?
Michal teaches children now.
갑자기 전투를 알리는 나팔 소리가 들려오고
Ambush!
Shields in the center now! Where did they come from? All stars! Archers on me! They'll hit your brother! Give the order when I'm covered. Protect David!
이스라엘군의 청동검을 단숨에 부러뜨려버리는 블레셋의 검을 집어들고 전투를 이어갑니다.
Take their sword!
형세가 불리해지자 블레셋 군사들은 도주했고 이스라엘 병사들은 그들의 무기를 확인하는데
Light as a feather, yet still so strong.
More charcoal.
Yes.
Every time we face these weapons, they are stronger and lighter.
All of Philistia are armed with these.
Plus, I have held one far more perfect than this. Eliav, do not defy my orders again.
Then do not tell me what to do.
얼마 뒤 다윗이 귀환하자 이스라엘 백성들은 모두 환영하고
It has been time enough. When will you forgive me?
사울과 아히노함의 사이는 여전히 차가웠죠.
They will crown that boy today if they could. The sooner you realize that, the better.
돌아온 다윗을 반기는 메랍은 어서 혼인 계획을 세우자는데
Yes, but another time, please. I would love to take my rest.
Yes, of course.
요나단과 아브네르는 블레셋의 무기보다 더 뛰어난 무기가 필요하다는데 뜻을 모읍니다.
David swears Goliath's blade is even stronger. For it to stand any chance at all, we need that weapon. The knowledge behind it. Do you know what became of it?
아브네르는 곧바로 골리앗의 검을 보관해 놓은 노부를 향하고
I've been trying to decipher what is etched on it. Egyptian, I believe.
God, swords? Oh, God of swords.
무엇인가 떠올린 아브네르는 검의 문양을 베껴 그려놓습니다.
What does it feel like to be anointed?
I become more of something. Everything I feel is amplified. I fear I may lose control. No one understands. It's to be alone.
You're not alone, David.
I'm sorry the throne won't pass to you as it should have.
그날 밤 다윗은 오랜만에 미갈을 찾아갑니다.
A gift for you. I began writing my own songs.
그는 아직도 미갈을 마음에 품고 있었지만
My wounds, they're still healing. I do not wish to reopen them.
마음을 닫고 계속해서 그를 밀어내는 미갈과 달리 메랍은 다윗에게 혼인을 서두르라며 채근하는데
I understand you still have feelings for my sister, but Michal has moved on. You are a bold enough soldier to know you can't keep marching backwards. So the time has come to honor my father's wishes. A date must be set.
I'm a servant of the king.
Perfect.
이제 그는 메랍과의 혼인을 더 이상 지체할 수 없었고
When I was in Endor, there was a man there, master metal forger, called himself the God of Swords. I believe he has discovered an entirely new metal. My king, we need to find this man.
Endor.
But a handful of men.
You should not be one of them. It is a lawless, God-forsaken place. And with your history there.
I know. It's all in my past.
결국 사울은 아브네르에게 다윗과 요나단 등 정예 전사를 배속시켜 엔돌로 보냅니다.
Lately, you seem to be fighting more than the enemy. You wrestle with God. I would fight him if I could find him. He's clearly with David.
그날 저녁 디나는 도액과 이야기하고 있는 에스바를 발견합니다.
What is it?
I don't like that man.
No, don't trust him, but he is useful.
Any animal who attacks on your behalf will one day attack you.
Worrying about each other.
You look so happy.
I hear you have happy news of your own.
What is this?
David and Merav have set a wedding date.
다음 날 아침 요나단과 다윗이 엔돌에 도착합니다.
We need to draw as little attention as possible.
아브네르는 시장 깊숙한 곳으로 이들을 이끌고
What brings you back here, where no one wants to see you?
Looking for a man named of God of Swords. This is his maker's mark. 25.
75.
50. And if you argue, you won't live to bargain again.
Follow me.
남자는 아브네르 일행을 웬 뱀을 든 남자에게 안내하는데
God of Swords. We've traveled a great distance to find you.
Perhaps you can help us.
We'll pay you double what the Philistines paid for the sword of the giant.
Come with me.
일행을 자신의 대장간으로 데려간 대장장이는 칼 한 자루를 보여줍니다.
Iron.
Why is it so much stronger than bronze?
Higher levels of heat create stronger metal.
You're making hundreds of these. I assume it requires a vast amount of fuel.
Charcoal.
Teach us how to make these iron weapons by the thousands.
I already escaped the Philistines. What makes you think I want to be locked in yours?
Because I know this blade is not all you care about. I know she's an Edomite slave. But Sheva, I know where you can find her. Teach us how to make these weapons.
결국 아브네르를 따라가기로 한 대장장이가 떠날 채비를 하던 그때 시야가 조금씩 흐려지더니 결국 정신을 잃어버렸고 아이노함은 메랍의 드레스를 골라주고 있습니다.
Marriage for power and status without emotion can come at significant cost.
You seem to be enduring it with ease.
With ease?
It's that love serves no purpose but to make one weak.
아이노함은 메랍에게 반지를 건네고
So you know that I am always with you. But if this is your choice, you must be hardened with resolve.
아이노함과 사이가 멀어진 사울은 그 씨앗을 침실에 들였고 미갈에게 요압이 찾아옵니다.
What is bothering you? I've noticed you do that when you're worried.
It's David.
You do realize he's about to marry your sister.
Can't help it. He has my heart. Protect him.
I already am.
Kezia. Doeg, you shouldn't be here.
도액은 여전히 저주에 고통받고 있었고
I need to know how the king cured himself of his curse.
I can't help you.
Secrets in this palace that do not find my ears. Need I remind you I am the one who brought you here?
I have nothing more to do with you.
Perhaps I speak to the king about the whisper side.
Perhaps I should speak to him and watch you lose your head.
Shame on you.
결박된 요나단과 다윗은 동굴에서 눈을 뜹니다.
On your knees, Israelites.
I kneel to God, not to man.
Not a man. Mistress of Baal, sister of Asherah, you will kneel to the witch of Endor.
말이 끝나자 늙은 여사제가 이들 앞에 모습을 드러내고
Hello, mother.
I have so many reasons to kill you for refusing offerings to our gods, or for killing a daughter of Endor to cover the sins of your house. I speak with the dead. They show me many things.
I am not afraid of your cheap tricks.
Does your conscience still drown in the blood of the innocent family you slaughtered? Son of Saul. Yet when I look into your future, I see nothing at all. How does it feel, Prince, to know the crown meant for your head will sit on another?
The crown will rest on the one deserving of it. That is enough for me.
Who are you?
You speak to the dead. I speak to their creator, through me, and he sees you.
You have great power, yet you are weakened by a lie. When you finally live in the truth, woe to the witch or the king who tries to stand in your way. And your house will never know peace. Let them go, all of them. I do not want their blood on my hands.
결박을 푼 마녀는 아브네르를 부릅니다.
One day soon the house of Saul will be defeated. It will crumble from within.
한편 아기스는 블레셋 연맹의 군주에게 군사와 자금을 지원해달라 제안하지만 군주는 성과가 나오지 않는 일에 투자하는 게 마음에 들지 않았죠.
I will find my own fortress and fight my own wars.
Dagenor! Would you like to suffer your father's fate? Or join a new generation of kings?
I will join you.
And 1/3 of Israel.
이스라엘에 도착한 아브네르는 일행들에게 강력히 경고했고
Never breathe a word of it to anyone.
다윗의 둘째 형 아비나답은 다윗을 향한 엘리압의 삐딱한 태도를 꾸짖는데
Our brother is a danger to himself and to the rest of our family. Your issue is not with David, it's with yourself.
Oh, made David the hero? God did. It's blasphemy. The notion of her knowing our destiny. And yet if she was able to see the truth about you, I worry about my own future.
None of us know what truly lies ahead. But she was right about one thing. We must live in our truth.
그 말을 들은 요나단은 곧바로 사라에게 달려갑니다.
Jonathan, what are you doing here?
사라도 마음을 열고 요나단을 받아들였고
My king,
다윗 또한 사울에게 향합니다.
I will not marry Mirav.
They refuse my command.
I choose to live in the truth.
Decisions have consequences.
So do lies. Do what you must.
다음 날 아침 눈을 뜬 아히노암은 오랜만에 사울의 침실로 향하는데
If David is not grateful for the favor of his king, let him leave.
Should he step off? The people will blame you for it, not him.
There is another solution. Let him marry Michal, but only after he completes one last mission, one he will not survive.
This plan comes with significant risk should it fail.
David grows more powerful by the day, and soon you will not be able to contain him. David must die.
Why have you come?
To ask you to marry me.
Jonathan.
I'm sorry about your brother.
And I know my brother was honored to fight beside you. But as much as I can understand it, I cannot live your life. And I do not wish to be queen.
What if I wasn't?
Wasn't what?
Going to be king.
But you are.
There's something I need to tell you.
요나단은 사라에게 다윗에 대해 사실대로 말해줍니다.
Why are you telling me this?
Because God has a design. And somehow, relief. So marry me.
When?
Today. Only in the presence of God and your kin.
그렇게 요나단과 사라는 결혼식을 올리고 메랍과의 혼인을 거절한 다윗은 그녀를 찾아갑니다.
Came to apologize.
I only ever asked you for one thing. Do not embarrass me. And now it appears you have embarrassed us both. And now you will face the consequences.
잠시 뒤 사울이 다윗을 호출합니다.
I will allow you to marry Michal, but first, you must prove your devotion to me.
I will fight any battle for you.
The Philistine forge at Gath.
Where they're crafting weapons of iron.
We must destroy it. It is fortified and elevated. They will see your army from a long distance away.
Then, I will take only my finest men.
They have raided my villages, murdered my people. In return, you will personally kill 100 Philistines and bring me their foreskins.
My king, I would kill 1,000 if it meant I could be with Michal.
But David, you will speak of this to no one, especially Michal.
I will not disappoint you.
출전을 앞둔 다윗은 미갈을 찾아갑니다.
If we could still marry, would you?
David.
If we could.
Yes. But David, that doesn't change the situation.
Please just trust me. I will be back.
Back
I will
from
be
where?
back.
곧장 엘리압에게 향한 다윗은 이 사실을 전했고 엘리압은 그를 따라 나서겠다고 하는데
You're staying.
Really? You're going to fight without me? Do you have a death wish?
What you do? I see the way you fight out there every battle. You don't listen to orders or reason. You put everyone's lives around you at risk. You're the one who's going to get yourself killed, brother. But not on my command.
Where is Eliav?
Eliav's not coming.
No?
David, for you, Commander. Freshly forged of iron. By a new blacksmith.
Very nice.
다윗은 새로운 무기를 챙겨 소수의 정예병력만 이끌고 출전했고 사울은 사람들의 눈을 피해 도액을 찾아갑니다.
We have each suffered from pestilence, but I turned my blade on my enemies, not myself. That is how I was freed from this.
So, if God no longer troubles you, what is it? David.
I would ask how you knew that.
I listen, I observe.
You have friends?
A great many friends.
In Philistia?
Philistia?
I listen as well. I observe. Send him a message. Remember who you serve.
My king, a message. Israel.
도액이 보낸 전서구가 도착한 것인데
When David marries Michal, it will be such a grand event. Will you allow me to attend? But as a guest.
That would create quite a stir in this household.
I understand.
I should find a way to make it up to you. What is it you want, Ahinoam?
Our son has returned.
요나단이 사라와 함께 궁에 돌아옵니다.
Father, we have some news.
You're getting married, aren't you?
We are married.
Jonathan, congratulations.
Our future king has found his beautiful queen.
This calls for a feast.
얼마 뒤 요나단의 결혼을 축하하는 연회가 열립니다.
Look at them. See? They're trying so hard to look happy.
What's spinning in that little head of yours, sister?
It's nice, you know.
연회가 한창 무르익어가던 그 시각 화려하게 꾸며 입은 그 시아가 연회장에 들어섰는데
We invited your concubine to our son's celebration.
No, I didn't.
Then order her out.
Kezia, I understand you are the one responsible for bringing my son and his beautiful wife together.
Yes, my king.
Then it is you we should be thanking for all of this. Once a servant, now she's an honored guest. Please join us. A seat!
감히 넘볼 수 없는 왕족의 자리에 그 시아가 자연스럽게 합석하자 아히노암은 자리를 박차고 일어나 버립니다.
She has no shame. She's wearing mother's necklace.
Don't blame the servant. She's doing what she must. She's surviving.
Now she must be manipulating him somehow.
Michal, stop. Stop defending him. You think we don't know what is happening?
Mirav, I swear that
Please don't stop it. Don't bother.
Mirav, wait!
Mirav.
Okay, I'll go.
원하는 것은 무엇이든 손쉽게 손에 넣는 미가엘 요나단과 달리 피나는 노력에도 온전히 제 것으로 만들지 못하는 메랍은 깊은 무력감을 느낍니다.
What is it about me that makes me so unchoosable? Everybody else gets what they want.
Come away from there. You're shivering. Come. I've already mourned my father. Please don't make me mourn you too.
모두에게 외면당했다 생각한 순간 찾아온 디나의 위로에 깊은 위안을 얻은 메랍은 비로소 성벽을 내려옵니다. 그 무렵 블레셋 영토로 향하고 있는 다윗.
So Uriah, you've traveled much, haven't you?
I am a Hittite. I came here through Egypt as a boy to trade.
So why did you decide to stay, Uriah?
Because our gods were made of stone, and your God is real.
잠시 후 대장간에 도착한 일행은 동태를 살피기 시작합니다.
Half a dozen guards, likely more within. And yet far fewer than a target like this deserves.
다윗은 계획대로 대장간 습격을 준비하고 경비병을 제압한 이들은 대장간으로 달려갑니다. 한편 미갈은 연회장 안으로 들어오는 요압과 엘리압을 발견하는데
Why are you not with David?
Avner did not send me.
Why would father send him off without any of his men?
Leave it with me.
요압은 곧바로 도액에게 향하고
And where do you keep your pigeons?
요압은 도액이 전서구를 날리는 것을 본 것인데
I was simply freeing one of my birds.
You sent a note just as David left the palace.
Knowing will only drag you into something you are best not to understand.
Tell me now, Edomite.
I know you hold the candle for Princess Michal, and you will come to thank me in the end.
Did you tell David he could marry me?
I did. He is first proving his worth.
Where is he? Father, where have you sent him?
Yes.
My prince,
Apologies. It is about David. I believe he's in trouble.
Go.
It's hard to breathe. Something's not right here.
Burn them alive.
On the exit! Move! They knew what we're coming! We've been betrayed! We're gonna burn the line in here, Commander! Help me move the jars to the doors! We fight fire with fire!
일행이 항아리들을 닫힌 문 앞으로 밀기 시작하고
Brothers, it is me they're after. If we survive this, I will draw them to the front gate. Let's get there and save yourselves. Ready?
다윗은 부하들을 살리기 위해 블레셋 병사들을 자신 쪽으로 유인합니다. 하지만 다윗이 몸을 던진 곳은
Seize him!
Dagnall, wait!
Stand down! I will finish him myself.
Should I help him?
Let the gods decide.
다윗을 바라보던 아기스의 머리에 그와의 기억이 스치고
The God of gods.
Is he? And there can be no other.
We need no other.
But their God is now with him.
Giant Slayer, your king betrayed you. Why do you fight for him? Seize him, all of you!
그때 이스라엘 기병을 이끈 요나단이 등장합니다.
Captain, single retreat.
사울의 배신을 온몸으로 받아낸 다윗은 곧장 그에게 향합니다.
My king. The Philistine forge is no more, but we suffered many losses because they knew we were coming.
Someone in this house has betrayed us. Did you slay 100 as I commanded?
I slayed 200.
It is true.
I will have Michal's hand in marriage, and I expect your announcement tomorrow.
It will be done. Where is my wife?
David? What happened?
Michal, marry me.
Yes. Yes.
사울은 시리에 빠져 있는 아히노함을 찾아갑니다.
It is so clear to me. You are my curse.
Everything I have done for you. I banished my own son to protect you.
Your every word is darkness!
An insecure man who needs a servant girl to make him feel like a king.
I know!
Mother?
I want you out! Get away from me! I want you out! Out of my life! You are my traitor! All is over! You are banished!
쫓겨난 아히노함을 찾아온 건 에스바알이었습니다.
Now you know how it feels to be betrayed by those who claim to love you.
아히노함이 이스라엘을 떠나고 얼마 뒤 곳곳에 초청장이 전달됩니다.
What is it?
The giant slayer will wed the princess.
It is Michal.
얼마 뒤 소란스러운 소리에 잠에서 깬 에스바알. 누군가 곡물 창고를 습격해 불을 지른 것인데 날이 밝자 사울은 피해를 확인합니다.
Our entire winter stock. Philistines.
This is Achish.
Without that grain, we could fall into famine before the spring.
이스라엘은 어떻게든 모자란 식량을 구해야만 했습니다.
What about Edom?
Alliance of peace between us and Edom is fragile. I fear stirring a hornet's nest.
Let me talk to him.
Go and try.
아브네르는 사울 왕국이 무너질 거라는 어머니의 말을 계속 걱정하고 있었는데
I'm concerned. No one can bring down the house of Saul, but Saul himself. Casting away Achinom. Bringing in a servant into your bed.
Now she is my concubine. This is a king's right.
Not the king of Israel. Not you. Remember the man you were.
그 시각 사라는 요나단을 찾아갑니다.
Would you like some good news?
No.
사라와 요나단 사이에 아이가 생긴 것인데
We will live a peaceful and quiet life in your village.
Is it possible?
Once the crown is on David's head, yes.
Then I ask only this. Hold your secrets.
Promise.
다윗은 결혼식 직전 어머니를 잃고 시리에 빠진 미가를 찾아갑니다.
I know what it's like to see your family fractured. But listen, we don't have to be our parents. We can start new.
다음 날 디나도 메랍을 위로하겠다며 그녀를 사냥길에 동행시킵니다. 그때 멀리서 말소리가 들려오는데 그곳엔 도액과 디나의 아버지 야이르를 살해한 의문의 남자가 있었고
Meet me back at the palace. What? I need to take care of something.
디나는 도액과 남자를 뒤쫓기 시작합니다. 도액이 전서구를 날리는 모습을 목격한 디나는 도액의 메시지를 확인했고 이세와 다윗의 가족들이 결혼식을 위해 왕궁에 도착합니다.
Have we met before? I served in your army at the Battle of Javesh. I was also at Gilgal when Samuel crowned you king.
Do you know him?
I do not know him.
Abner.
사울은 이세에게 결혼 선물로 원하는 것을 주겠다 말하지만
I've never been indebted to the throne. I have no wish to change that.
This pleases you?
I will miss my sons.
Come, Father. This is a celebration. Mark it as one.
Yes.
Edom will send 20 wagons of grain before Yom Torah, 20 more by Sukkot. That and a small tithe from the tribes should see us through the winter.
I wouldn't have thought it possible. The king of Edom would not offer this if there was not something in it for him.
But the king intends to travel here shortly to discuss.
I have underestimated you, my son.
메랍은 결혼식 준비가 한창인 미가를 찾아갑니다.
How long have we talked about this day? I couldn't miss it. And I cannot let you wear that monstrosity.
메랍이 동생의 결혼 준비를 돕지만 미가의 얼굴에는 그늘만이 가득합니다.
Mother should be here. But since she is not, I will be.
메랍은 아히노암에게 받은 반지를 미갈에게 건네주는데
That you know that she is always with you.
Thank you.
그날 오후 다윗과 미갈의 결혼식이 시작됩니다.
Where have you been?
A conversation for later.
Look, David is coming. The princess, Abba, the princess, look.
To my beautiful daughter, Michal, and my new son, the Giant Slayer.
연애가 시작되고 얼마 뒤 다윗은 떠나려는 이세에게 향합니다.
Why must you leave so early? Thank you for coming all this way.
Seems your mother was right. King David. I will pray for you, son. God above all, yes?
Of course.
Do not let this place corrupt you, David.
Okay, father, let's go.
이세가 떠나는 걸 본 아드리엘이 다윗에게 다가오는데
I'm here to celebrate your rise and remind you who cleared the path along the way.
다윗은 아드리엘을 한쪽 구석으로 데리고 가더니
I know what you did. My family grieved. Tovia and his kin.
Do you know who put the blade to his heart and his family? Your own brother, Eliab.
And you expect me to reward you for this?
When you have taken the throne, yes. Or one word from me to Saul, and the next blood on the ground will be yours.
When the king finds out you lied about Samuel's anointed, I owe you nothing.
다윗은 곧바로 엘리압에게 향합니다.
I know what you did. What you were made to do.
Enjoy your wedding day, brother.
다윗에게 모욕감을 느낀 아드리엘은 에스바알에게 향하고
I've been holding a secret. David is not at all who he says he is.
아드리엘로부터 다윗이 신의 선택을 받은 자라는 걸 전해들은 에스바알은 그 길로 사울을 찾아갑니다.
Think of it, father. He slayed the giant. The anointed one is David.
그날 저녁 디나는 에스바알을 조용한 곳으로 불러냅니다.
Today, in the woods, I've witnessed a man with a patch over one eye. It was the same man who killed my father. He was meeting with Doeg. What if the attack on our convoy wasn't just bandits? I mean, someone here in the palace is... I have proof. Here. The silos weren't burned by the Philistines and more attacks are planned. What?
I didn't expect this.
What?
To fall in love with you.
Eshbal.
Sorry.
What? You cannot make a sound.
에스바알은 메랍에게 자신이 납치되었을 때 겪었던 일과 지금까지 자신이 저지른 짓을 모두 털어놓습니다.
Tore her and father apart. You pushed me to marry David. Why?
A better future for all of us.
You lost.
No. I have finally found it. Father is weak and corrupt. You've seen it. Kingdom is rotting under him, and if we do not act, we will lose everything. I'm going to build something new, something so much better. But no one can know what you saw today.
Are you threatening me?
Dina stumbled into something bigger than her. But you are my sister. You are the only one who mourned my banishment. My one true ally in this family. It is the only way.
잠시 후 목숨을 잃은 디나의 시신이 발견되며 궁궐은 발칵 뒤집혔고 에스바알은 거짓 눈물을 쏟아내기 시작합니다.
A threat?
No. Someone in this palace is responsible.
No one is responsible. She pretended to be strong, but the death of her father affected her more than we knew. She often spoke about ending her own life.
음모로 얼룩진 비극을 알리 없는 다윗은 미갈과 함께 첫날 밤을 보내고 있었는데
Apologies, my prince. The king calls for you.
다윗은 의심 없이 아브네르의 뒤를 따랐고 그 뒤를 조용히 따라가는 에스바알.
It is you, isn't it?
My king?
I loved you, trusted you, and still you betrayed me.
My king, I am loyal to you.
Are you? No more deception. Speak the truth, that some will choose you.
No. God chose me.
마침내 폭발한 사울의 광기가 다윗을 겨냥합니다.
I don't want to fight you.
사울과 에스바알이 동시에 다윗을 공격해보지만 이미 뛰어난 전사로 성장한 다윗을 제압할 순 없었죠. 다윗이 도망치자 아브네르는 병사들을 소집하고 엘리압을 호출합니다.
Restrain him.
David, his brother, has betrayed the king. Find him. He's gone towards the eastern gate. Go!
다윗이 향한 곳은 미갈이 있는 처소였고
What's going on, David?
Listen, we must go now.
Hurt. Who did this to you?
Your father.
He's sick again. I will go to him.
No, you don't understand. No, he's trying to kill me. Pack your things quickly.
Please, just tell me the truth.
더 이상 진실을 숨길 수 없음을 직감한 다윗은 자신이 신의 선택을 받은 자라는 운명을 고백합니다.
It was you. You were the threat to the throne. You were the reason he banished you.
I'm not a threat. God chose me.
God chose my father.
He did.
David, come quickly.
미갈은 다윗이 도망칠 수 있도록 그를 도왔고
Go. You have to go. I
Please.
won't. You have.
Is he here? But he must leave. You have little time, minutes perhaps. It's all I can buy you.
다윗이 내려간 것을 확인한 미갈은 다윗은 혼자 왕궁을 벗어나기 시작했고
Is he here?
막무가내로 들어온 아브네르는 다윗이 도망쳤다는 걸 확인합니다.
Where did he go?
I don't know.
What did he tell you?
He said nothing to me.
Don't lie to me. Do you want to die alone with him?
He told me he was anointed king.
That's not possible. Where did he go?
Let go of me.
Remove your hands from her. Leave the road, princess. It is over, Lord Commander.
Please.
아브네르의 무기를 빼앗은 요압은 그를 놓아주는데
Your father will want to see you. If I were you, I'd have better answers.
요압은 뒤이어 결박된 엘리압을 찾아갑니다.
Saul knows the truth. About what? About David.
그러더니 요압은 엘리압을 풀어주는데
I do not understand. How long have you known? Long enough. Avner is sending soldiers to your home. Go. What about you? I must gather some men.
엘리압은 밤새 달려 집에 도착합니다.
Eliab! Eliab! What has happened?
We must go. Where? David has been discovered. Where is David? Is he safe? I do not know.
한편 궁을 떠나 있던 요나단과 사라는 사울의 호출을 받고 급히 황궁하는 길이었고 요나단을 멈춰 세운 건 바로 다윗이었죠.
Your father. He knows.
What?
All of the palace is hunting me. No matter what they say to you, they are lying. I am loyal to the king. I need your help.
Hell, if he was a brother, I'll find answers.
Wait.
다윗은 미갈에게 전해달라며 쪽지를 건넵니다.
There's a field below the eastern wall. I'll practice with my bow there tomorrow. If I fire an arrow beyond my arm bearer, let this be a sign that I was not successful. You may go in safety.
해가 저물자 미갈은 사울을 찾아갑니다.
Your sister told me everything. Why you did this, the reason for your betrayal, was forced upon you. That David threatened to kill you. I'm so sorry.
엘리압은 결국 자신의 손으로 정든 집을 불태웠고 이 모든 비극이 모두 동생 때문이라며 울부짖습니다.
This burden you carry to redeem our family. It was not fair. But son, your work is complete. You need no longer carry it.
And I do carry it. And I have done things, Father. Things that I cannot forget. Things that I cannot atone for.
There is no sin God cannot redeem. Let go of this bitterness, Eliab.
Let go. I cannot forgive him.
It is not your brother that you need to forgive. Whatever God requires of you, He will reveal it. You must stop fighting.
가족들에게 등 돌린 엘리압은 어디론가 떠났고 궁에 돌아온 요나단은 미갈에게 다윗의 쪽지를 전합니다.
What does it say?
To be strong and courageous. Did Samuel name him?
잠시 후 정적이 감도는 식사 자리에서 사울과 요나단이 마주 앉습니다.
Of my father, the great king, ordering the execution of a prince of Israel.
David tried to assassinate your father, the king.
No, actually, we tried to murder him. The forge in Philistia, I was there. You would never do anything to hurt us. I swear to you.
You son of a perverse woman. As long as David lives, your throne will never be established.
Throne only has power if a just king sits on it.
You challenged my decision.
Yes.
You betrayed the house of God! And you betrayed the God who anointed you!
I'm sorry, Jonathan. Wait.
I am ashamed to be your son.
다음 날 요나단은 다윗과의 약속대로 활을 쏘기 위해 공터로 향했고
That was terrible.
You distracted me.
I'll go fetch it.
No. I'll fetch it myself. I need to walk. Thank you, Reuben.
다윗은 일이 잘못되었다는 것을 알고 절망했죠.
Clear you a path to Ramah. Samuel. Thought that's where you might go.
Yes.
다윗의 수금을 건네주는 요나단.
Sarah is with child.
You're going to be a father. And you want to name him David? I won't allow that.
No. But I do ask for kindness and mercy when you come into your kingdom.
I
David, kings consolidate their rule. They do things they said they would never do. I've seen this with my own eyes. So vow to me. Promise me you will never harm my family. You will protect them if I cannot.
I vow. This is a covenant between us.
다윗 앞에 무릎을 꿇은 요나단은 왕을 알려하듯 다윗의 손등에 입을 맞춥니다.
Then may the house of David endure forever.
I did not ask for this. I never wanted any of this. You would be the better king.
No, God does not make mistakes like that.
사지를 탈출한 다윗의 발걸음이 닿은 곳은 사무엘의 처소였고 사무엘과 힐라는 자애로운 미소로 다윗을 맞이해 줍니다.
Samuel, I don't know what to do.
The Lord God will speak to you, as He has spoken to me so often.
Do you really hear His voice?
If His words have warmed my heart from time to time, they have scorched my soul as well. I tell you of late, there are no words. What I hear is music. A simple shepherd, you have been given a great and a difficult task. And this task is given you for God's own reasons. And so, you will travel the road north to Nov, and you will ascend the mountain by the 1,000 westward steps, so you will not be seen.
얼마 뒤 노베 제사장들을 찾아가는 도액.
These steps are sacred. Why do you climb them?
Your God is tormenting me night and day.
I'm sorry. I cannot help you. You do not belong on this holy mountain.
성과 없이 다시 계단을 내려오던 도액은 얼굴을 깊게 가린 남자와 마주치고
David,
Why have you come? Do you have any weapons here? The sword, the bow?
Come. The sword of Goliath. It is all that is here. If it aids you, take it.
Father, soldiers are here.
What do they want?
Him.
골리앗의 검을 손에 들고 밖으로 발걸음을 옮긴 다윗을 맞이한 건 벼랑 끝의 운명을 함께하겠다며 집결한 병사들이었습니다.
The king has gone mad. Our loyalty is to you, David.
Right.
Father, I just received word from Edom. The king travels here himself to finalize the terms of his aid.
Very well.
I also have a plan to solidify loyalty among the tribes. It involves my sisters.
My king.
궁으로 복귀한 도액은 다윗이 노베산으로 향하고 있었다는 결정적인 첩보를 사울에게 보고했고
David is hiding amongst the priests of Nob. Do not allow the blood of holy men be on our heads.
그렇게 이스라엘 군대를 이끄는 아브네르가 노브를 향했고 그의 앞길을 사무엘이 막아섭니다.
Samuel, step aside.
It is you who obstruct the path of the one God has chosen.
그 시각 엘리압은 깊은 어둠 속에서 거칠게 흔들리고 있었는데
You have so many words for my brother. Have you nothing for me? What would you have me do?
어둠이 짙게 깔린 노베 야영지. 다윗을 찾아온 노베 제사장은 귀한 선물들을 꺼내놓습니다.
I still need guidance.
Yes, I do.
다윗을 잡아왔으리라는 기대를 품고 급히 나간 사울은 알 수 없는 거대한 힘에 짓눌린 병사들과 마주합니다.
What happened?
They've taken their own life to escape the torment.
Summon the royal guard.
We will ride north to the caves of Adullam.
That is near Gath.
Saul will not follow us there.
마침내 다윗과 그의 부하들은 아둘람 동굴로 향했고 정예 부대를 이끈 사울은 사무엘이 버티고선 길목에 다다르는데
You cursed my men as you cursed me. Do not make me strike you down.
사울이 결국 칼을 뽑아들자 사울뿐만 아니라 모든 병사들이 고통을 받기 시작하고
Your torment has not ended, Saul.
I defeated my curse.
No, you have become your curse.
And I will no longer mourn for you.
You will prophesy for me.
I control my fate. You will tell me what you see, son of Kish.
I see my crown resting on the head of another.
Speak his name.
밤이 되어서야 사울 왕과 병사들은 도에게 의해 혼돈에서 깨어납니다.
I'm Doeg. Where's Samuel? Gone.
Where do we go from here?
Onward to Nov.
Most of the men are not fit to travel.
My men are fit to travel.
Good. Bring them.
얼마 뒤 사울은 도에게 병력들과 함께 노베 도착합니다.
What is happening?
Son, get the ephod and leave. It must be protected. I will handle this. Now, go.
아들을 몰래 떠나보낸 대제사장 아히멜렉이 사울을 맞이합니다.
Why have you betrayed me, priest?
Betrayed?
Ahimelech, listen now and speak the truth. Why have you hidden the traitor from me?
David? Who among your servants is as faithful as he?
You will raise an army against me.
I knew nothing of this. We all serve you, as does David.
Then let me ask you a question, son of Ahitov. The God had chosen someone else. Whom would you serve?
I would serve God above men.
Thank you for your honesty. Kill them all.
So these are servants of the Most High.
Kill them all!
I will not do this.
I will do it.
Burn everything!
마침내 봉인 해제된 사울의 광기는 제사장들을 학살하기 시작합니다. 겨우 힐라의 품으로 돌아온 사무엘은 모든 기력을 소진한 상태였습니다.
Is it not beautiful? God's creation.
힐라는 사무엘의 마지막을 직감하는데
Yes, it is beautiful. You have fought well.
The giant slayer is in the mountains, in the caves of Adullam. He's being hunted.
By whom?
By Saul.
My finest work. How many have you made?
1,000 by harvest.
I need to find them before my father does.
Be careful.
한편 다윗의 야영지 근처로 수많은 병사들이 다가오기 시작하는데 다윗을 찾아온 건 요압과 다윗을 본 엘리압은
We are here to serve you.
사울의 핍박에 신음하던 자들이 다윗을 새로운 지도자로 섬기기 위해 모여든 것인데
My king. The king of Edom.
You can kill me, but you will never know your purpose. I can teach you to be a king greater than your father.
Show me your purpose. Show me your will for your kingdom.
유다의 왕으로 우뚝 선 다윗의 모습을 비추며 다윗의 왕국 시즌2가 끝납니다. 쫓기는 유랑자에서 부족의 왕이 된 남자, 더 치열해진 생존투쟁과 예측 불가의 전개로 돌아온 다윗의 왕국 시즌2였습니다. 이번 시즌이 공개되자마자 마니아들 사이에서 호평받는 이유는 다윗이 왕좌에 앉기 전 가장 처절했던 도망자 시절을 밀도 있게 그려냈기 때문입니다. 자신을 질투해 군대까지 동원한 사울 왕을 피해 벌이는 숨막히는 추격전은 웬만한 현대 첩보물의 텐션을 능가하는데요. 특히 원수를 죽일 수 있는 완벽한 기회 앞에서도 신념을 지키며 사울 왕을 살려주는 심리전과 드라마는 시즌2의 가장 강렬한 관전 포인트 중 하나입니다. 흩어졌던 지지자들을 모아 유다의 왕으로 추대되기까지의 정치적 각축전은 압도적인 몰입감을 선사하는데요. 신화 속 영웅이 아닌 살아남기 위해 처절하게 고뇌했던 인간 다윗의 가장 뜨거운 성장기를 다룬 다윗의 왕국은 아마존 프라임 비디오에서 시청하실 수 있습니다.